because it's his garden. Okay? Ibrahim, number 11. Vi a van chele agus a walk on. So his wife and his son were there. So ban chele is wife. A van chele is his wife. Mak is son. A walk is his son. And the on there at the end is kind of like there. So vi a van chele, his wife. Agus, his wife was agus a walk, and his son on there. Okay? So via van chele agus a walk on.
Via van chele agus a walk on.
Okay?
Is that cool feminine?
Huh?
Cool feminine?
No. It's masculine. Okay, number 12. Vi an grian ag tainov agus vi siad ag ihaginier fui farasol mor jarag. So the sun, vi an grian, the sun was, ag tainov is shining. Agus vi siad, and they were, ag iha, eating, giner, of dinner. So they were at the eating of dinner. Fui is under. Parasol is a parasol. Fui farasol, under a parasol. More is large. Jarag is red. So literally is, was the sun at shining, and were they at eating of dinner under parasol big red? Okay? So, vi an chrian ag tainov.
Vi an chrian ag tainov.
Agus vi siad.
Agus vi siad.
Ag ihaginer.
Ag ihaginer.
Fui farasol mor jarag.
Fui farasol mor jarag.
Okay, and we're going to go to the next page. Okay.
Jarag is red? I thought Rua was red.
Rua is red more for hair. Yeah. You know what we're going to actually do, I think? Yeah. Actually, rather than try and plow through another page, we'll do, let's go to the first sheet again and we're going to read it. Okay? What we'll do is finish the lesson next week, and then we'll also maybe do bingo or something, and maybe I'll throw on a question page. Okay? I think trying to get through another page now is going to be hard. All right. So I'll read it through first. So, Ichelyuch. Stop. Actually, I'll just read the whole thing first. Stop an lína ada carana arish. Stop polo lia charhain agus lísha shir sa siachan. Visheg chomainch an la fad agus visha tershach. Nuair bhainis ach titimisteach in a leba. Gúnse a huile agus deiste leis an máisteach a bhíh búla go rihamach chorp agus inyoga an char. Go máll ré, hosi sé titimachola, síis is steach sa hiúnas dorcha. Chúla sé díine caint aitégan, dosco sé a huile agus deach sé timppla a híntas. Bhí sé na gardín cúil. Bhí bhean chéile agus a wach an. Bhí an ghuiríon ag tainneamh agus bhí siad a githe dínéir faoi farasol mór jarag. Dhealach chrí le hachas nuair a chanig sé a wach. Dosco sé a bhéal chun rud ag an ará leis, ach go toban hosaí an telefón ag bua leis tí sa teach. Sandor arsa an fear óg, agus hosaí sé gríthe drón tí. Deach pólan na dhé go bránach. Bháil leis cúpla focail a bhéige leis. Bháil leis... Okay. We're Shalshanish, so it's your turn now. Okay. We'll actually just read as far as the... We're going to take turns going around, and we're just going to read as far as... actually, we're not going to... We don't have a lot of time. I'll read them, and I'll read a whole line, and then I'll say it after me, and we'll go through around it next time. Okay, so first of all, Ichelyuch. Stop an lína ada carana arish.
Stop an lína ada carana arish.
Stop Paul Uli a charhain agus lísha shir sa siachan.
Stop Paul Uli a charhain agus lísha siachan.
That's a hard one to tongue around. Visha ag chomainch an lá fad agus visha tershach.
Visha ag chomainch an lá fad agus visha tershach.
Nírev white anish ach titimis deach an a laba.
Nírev white anish ach titimis deach an a laba.
Gúnse a huile agus deiste leis an máisteach a bhíh búla go rihamach chorp agus inyoga an char.
Gúnse a huile agus deiste leis an máisteach a bhíh búla go rihamach chorp agus inyoga an char.
Go máll ré hosaí sé titimachola. Síos isteach sa hiúnas dorcha.
Go máll ré hosaí sé titimachola. Síos isteach sa hiúnas dorcha.
Hula sé daine caint oitégan.
Thula sé daine caint oitégan.
Dos go sé huile agus déach sé timpeall le hintas.
Dascail sé huile agus déach sé timpeall le hintas.
Bhí sé ina gardín cúil.
Bhí sé ina gardín cúil.
Bhí a bhean chéile agus a bhac an.
Bhí a bhean chéile agus a bhac an.
Bhí an gríon ag tainmh agus bhí siad ag itheadínéir faoi far sol mór dearag.
Bhí an gríon ag tainmh agus bhí siad ag itheadínéir faoi far sol mór dearag.
Yeah, I say we're gonna stop there. We have 2 minutes. Okay. I think you can read them then. Okay. Why don't we start with Margaret? You wanna get number? Ihalach. Okay. Yeah, why don't you read the next one too?
Stop an lína ada carna arish.
Okay.
Stopó lí a charthain agus lí sé siar sa scríomh.
Yeah, that's a hard one.
Bhí sé ag toimaint an lá ar fád agus bhí sé tíirseach.
Ní raibh
Why?
Mai anis
titim isteach ina líla.
In a laba.
Naba.
You're a sé previn.
Hun sé a chiile
A hula.
a chula agus gist
Déist sé.
géist sé leis an warsteach
Máisteach.
máisteach a bhí ag chula
Ag bóla.
ag búla go rigamach ar chorp agus fuinneoga an char
Agus inyoga.
inneoga an char.
Okay, come on. Give her a shach shan.
Mama Ray Hosi said, she I teeter ma hola. She's shacks Munas Dora.
Give her a hocht. Gart.
Hula sé duine a canch ag ségan.
Give her a knee, Pauline.
Doscail sé a húlaí
A hula.
a húla agus
Deach sé.
deach sé timpáil le Huntas.
The hintas. Yeah.
Hintas.
Huntas is the southern way of saying it. Okay. Give it a J, Matthew, number 10.
Bhí sé ina Jordan Coola,
In a gardín
in Guardian
cool.
Cool.
Give it a hinjag Pam.
Bhí an hélan agus a waka.
Kathleen, give it a doyag.
Bhí an bhríon ag taú agus bhí siad ag gine dinnear faoi Paris ó mór dearg.
Let's go back up, do the...
Oh, heck. That's just getting interesting.
Okay, you want to go on?
Yeah, le trí le hachas nuair a chanig sé a bhacht.
Can I start it with the beginning?
Sure, go for it.
Oh, I want the first one.
Take the first couple there, Mandy.
Yeah, you get the hard one.
Okay, give it a hand. Actually, why don't you take number 3? Mandy.
But Heather messed it up.
Okay,
I don't have a chance.
take number 1, take number 1. Did I let number, give her a hand.
Ihalach.
Icha luch.
Ihalach.
Okay, give her a do. Kathleen.
Stop on, is it lean?
And Nina.
Stop on Lena ada carna arish.
Arish.
Arish?
Okay. Come on. Come on.
I think both are appropriate.
All right. Is Phaedra live Chichimis Chach and we're Labianish. Fall into your beds now. Hasagam Nakwil Road, Ella Erbe,
So does it make
O Wargit, Chichimis Chach and 11. Okay.